Hello guys, welcome to K&VR Tech channel. This is Vivek, and in this video we learn something about C tokens. Before going to C tokens, we should know what is a token. Token is nothing but if we take a passage, in that passage individual words. I mean a passage contains different words and punctuation marks like exclamatory mark, question mark, and etc. It is called a token. Similarly, in C we have C tokens. C tokens. What are C tokens? C tokens means to write a C program we need some individual units. That means the building blocks. They are called as C tokens to write a C program. We require some units. They are C tokens. In C we have different C tokens. I mean they are categorized. What are they? First one, keywords. And the next one is identifiers. And the next one is constants. And the other is strings. And the next is special symbols. Keywords. I'll explain about now keywords. What is a keyword? Keyword is a C token which have a fixed meaning. Means we cannot change the value or the meaning of this word. In C, when writing a C program, every C word is classified whether a keyword or as an identifier. Keyword has a specific meaning. We cannot change it. But identifier is nothing but we define it. Okay? We should note one thing, that all keywords are in lowercase. All keywords are in lowercase. You should keep a note. Totally we have 32 keywords in C language. Totally 32 keywords in C language. They are integer, character, float, double. These all comes under data type. These all represent size. This is short, long, signed, unsigned. We can use this before these data types. Short int, long int, signed int, unsigned int, etc. etc. These are type def, enum, structure, union. Later we come across this one. These all comes under control statements. These are if, else, switch, and case, default. This comes under decision or selection statements. And these are go to, break, continue. These we call it as jump statements or unconditional statements. And we call them, these for, while, do, we call these as looping statements. And if we come across these auto, extern, register, static, and all, these we call as storage classes. This is very important. We should know about this clearly. In next videos I will definitely upload about this one. And void, return. These are these keywords used in functioning. Means when we write a functions, we clearly know about this one. These are constant, volatile, size of. These are other operators. I mean keywords. Our next C token is identifiers. Identifiers are nothing but the name given for an entity in a C program. Means name given to an entity in a C program. And the entities may be variables, arrays, functions, and structures, etc. Later you will definitely understood what is an variable, what is an array, and what are the functions and the structures and units and etc, etc. And we have some rules for identifiers. They are, the first statement is, first rule, the first character of an identifier must be an alphabet, or it can start with underscore. This is underscore. It can start with underscore, or it can start with alphabet. That may be lowercase or uppercase, both. A to Z, capital Z, or small a to small z. Starts. And the special symbols are not allowed except underscore. Except underscore. And the next one is blank spaces are not allowed. And one more important thing, the length of identifier should not exceed 31 characters. Should not exceed 31 characters. And you should note one more key point, that C is a case sensitive. Case sensitive. Case sensitive means there is a difference between capital A and small a. C recognize whether it is capital A or small a. That's why you should be very careful when writing a C program. Okay, I will show you some valid identifiers. Like this is a valid identifier. A2 is a valid identifier. Underscore X is a valid identifier. And marks underscore 1 is a valid identifier. And some invalid identifiers. I will show some invalid identifiers. They are 1x. It is starting with digit. It's not a valid identifier. And the next one, char. You may have doubt. It is having a length less than 31 characters, and it is having all the lowercase letters as lowercase letters, and it has no special symbols in between. It has no digits at the starting. Then why it is not a valid identifier? Because character, it is a keyword. Character is a keyword. That is the reason why it comes under a invalid identifier section. And x plus y, it is a special symbol. So plus is a special symbol. That is why it is not a valid identifier. And the next keyword C tokens is constants. Constants. The name itself says that it has a fixed meaning. Numbers, Later you come across this one, and later you understand this. And the next C token is strings. String is nothing but collection of some characters. Example: hi, good. C program. In strings, string is nothing but a collection of some characters. You may have some doubt that special symbols are not allowed in identifiers. Identifier is different and string is a different. String contains a some. It contains some characters. Character. C is a character. Here space. Space is also character. That is why it is a string. And the next one is special symbols. Special symbols. Special symbols is which doesn't come across, which doesn't include letters, digits, or nothing but doesn't include letters and digits are called special symbols. They are plus, minus, star, etc., underscore, and so on. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon.